你好，我是 Katrina. Welcome to another episode of Super Easy Mandarin for Beginners. 我是 Katrina, and today I'm going to give you 5 vocab also, so let's get started. The first one is, how do you pronounce this? Okay, this we pronounce 贵. 贵. 贵 means expensive. So the UI sound, if you have watched my previous video, you know the UI sound is way, okay, so it pronounced way. So with the G initial sound is g, so g, way, 贵, the fourth tone. 贵 means expensive. 贵. Next one. Okay, that's so weird. You have 2 dots on the U and with the L. So how do you pronounce them? No idea. So actually 2 dots on the U sound, it is pronounced yu in Mandarin because it's final, the final sound of a word. So it's written as U with 2 dots. But it actually pronounced exactly the same as YU. Do remember that. So with the L is le, yu, lu, lu. And the next word is se, lu, se. Lu, se means green color. Literally, green color means green. Okay, lu, se, lu, se. Next one. How do you pronounce this? Alright, it is pronounced 学生, 学生. The first word is XUE, so the X is she sound, and the UE is 约, so it's hard to pronounce 西约学. SHENG is 师恩生, 学生 student or students, 学生 student. Next one, how do you pronounce this? It is pronounced 小吃. 小 is small or little. You might have seen this before. 小 and CHI is 吃, so 小吃. 小吃 literally means little eat, but it means local snacks. Local snacks or finger food that you see in the night market, okay? 小吃, 小吃. Next one. How do you pronounce this? Alright? So it's pronounced 昨天, 昨天. Okay, ZUO is Z is z, and then UO is like 窝 sound, 窝. So 自窝左, 左, and TIAN is 天,天. So 昨天, yesterday. 昨天, yesterday. Alright, so now I'm going to give you some sentences of these vocabulary, and you can listen and see if you understand. So, the first sentence is 台湾小吃不贵. 台湾小吃不贵. What does that mean? 台湾 Taiwan 小吃 local snacks 不贵 not expensive. So Taiwan local snacks are not expensive. 台湾小吃不贵. 我喜欢绿色. 我喜欢绿色. What does that mean? 我喜欢 I like. 绿色 green color. I like green color. I like green. 我喜欢绿色. Next one. 那个人是我的学生。那个人是我的学生。 那个人 that person 是 is 我的 my 学生 student so that person is my student 那个人是我的学生我爱台湾小吃我爱台湾小吃 What does that mean? 我爱 I love 台湾 Taiwan 小吃 little e I love Taiwan little e I love Taiwan local snacks so 我爱台湾小吃 Okay, if you have tried the Taiwan 小吃 you will love it. There are so many different kinds of Taiwan 小吃 and I love Taiwan. 我爱台湾 and I also love Taiwanese snacks. 我爱台湾小吃 I can't really eat too much because I have braces right now. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching this episode and 加油 if you had sentences that you come up with from the vocabulary you learned from my video lesson. You can write it down and I'll check it. Until then, I'll see you next time. 谢谢你们，再见。